Welcome to True Birmingham. I'm just about to show you what our true accessible studios look like. These rooms are great because they are bigger than our normal true studios, which are 20 square meters. These are between 22 and 24 square meters. So they've got extra space, but even though they're accessible, it doesn't mean that you need those accessible adaptations to stay in these. And I'll show you when we're in the room. So, as always, when you arrive with us at True, you will get a fob which looks just like this. It might be just a different colour. When you arrive, this fob will already be programmed to your individual door. So it means that it's so safe and only you can access your lock. Simply get your fob and tap it on the black reader and open the door. When you come into the room space, you will see that to the side you have some coat and bag hooks. Great for obviously putting your bag or your coats on before you obviously come back or go to university. Here is a radiator and you can control the heat here by this thermostat. You can make this as hot or as cold as you would like your room to be. Walking further on into the room space, you can see you have a full length mirror. Great to obviously make sure you're looking good before you leave to university in the morning. And because there's plug sockets down here, you can use this to style your hair with your hair dryers or hair straighteners. Then, as you can see over here, you have a smart flat screen TV. So it's great. This has your free view capability, so your normal live UK TV, such as BBC, ITV and stuff like that. Plus, it's a smart TV, so you can browse the web, go on YouTube, go on Netflix. There's loads you can do on here. Plus, as you can see here, this is our True TV, and there's loads of different things that you can do here. You can have a look at the events we have coming up this week, or if there's any problems in your room, you can log any maintenance issues on here too. Then, walking on into the main room space, you can see that this room is a studio, and what that means is that you have a kitchenette within your room type. So, something to note as well is you also get this set of drawers which can be moved around to wherever you would like it to be, and it's great for you to store your cutlery, or you can obviously store some more study items in there. Then you can see here you've got a really large countertop space. Here you have a fully integrated fridge and freezer. Then you have a sink with a drainer to the side. You have lots of cupboard space up here. You have a fully glass splashback, a 2-ring electric hob as well, and a really strong extraction. We believe because you live and cook in the same space, this is so important. So switch it on and it'll suck away all that lovely cooking smells. Down here you have an integrated oven and microwave combination. And then under here you've got a second drawer that you can put your cutlery or anything like that. Something to know about this is this countertop here can actually be raised or decreased depending on if you need that adaptation for you to cook with. Okay? Round here you can see you've got a lovely large window space, and this window can also be open so you can allow fresh air in. Then you've got a lovely blackout curtain there as well. Over here, you will get to your double wardrobe space. So you've got a large shelf to the top, a rail in the middle with some hangers, and then some more shelves to the bottom there as well. Plenty of space for you to store your clothes. Then, just moving to the side here, you can see your desk area. Because whilst you're staying with us, studying is going to be really, really important, and we've made it a really nice area for you to study and study well in. So, first off, you've got a really big desk, plenty of space for you to study. You've got plug sockets underneath as well, so great for you to charge your laptops and your phones and stuff like that. You've got a comfortable study chair with a really good back support, so if you're doing any late night study sessions, it'll make you nice and comfortable. To the back here you have a pin board, so you can put your university timetable, or you can make it unique to your room, put photos of your loved ones, of your friends, your family, whatever. Make this space your own. All the way along the top you can see that you've got a really large shelf. Great to put your knickknacks, your textbooks, your folders, stuff like that up there. And then down here you've got some drawer space, so it's great for you to put your books or your pens and stuff like that down there. Then here you can obviously see you've got a full size double bed. We don't do quarter measures here, it is a full double. It's also got a nice padded headboard to the back, and you can see there it's got plug sockets with USB ports. Great if you want to charge your phone or your watch whilst you're sleeping. Plus there's a light switch there which controls the lights of the room as well. So if you get into bed and you need to switch lights off, no problem, it's all there for you. So this is an ottoman bed, and what that basically means is you can pull it up super easily because it's on hydraulic springs, and you can store suitcases or boxes and bags out of the way so it's not in your nice open space. And then whilst we're finished with the bed, I'm going to show you your ensuite bathroom. So all our rooms here are en suites, and the biggest difference between our normal true studio room type and our true accessible room type is the bathroom. So it is a wet room style bathroom, so it just means that you don't have an enclosed cubicle, it is an open shower space. So you can see here that there's all the accessible adaptations, but it doesn't mean you need to use them if you don't need them. You've got a waterfall shower head and a side shower there as well. You've got a towel rail here, and to this side you can see that you've got your toilet, a lovely sink space, and a really large mirror which is fully lit to the side as well.